Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Apple Pay on Eldorado.gg. Paying on Eldorado.gg with Apple Pay can feel a bit confusing at first, especially when the option doesn't show up where you expect it. But there's actually a simple reason behind it. What I usually do is pick the item I want and tap Buy Now, since that's where Apple Pay is more likely to appear. If you don't see it during checkout, the key thing to remember is that Apple Pay only works on supported Apple devices like iPhone, iPad, or Mac, and you need to be using the Safari browser. It won't show up on Chrome or other browsers. Also, make sure Touch ID or Face ID is enabled, since Apple Pay depends on that for verification. Once everything is set, the option should appear automatically, and you can complete the payment just like any normal Apple Pay transaction. In the end, it's less about extra steps and more about using the right device and browser so the option becomes available. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.